Hi moms! In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use a breast pump, from preparation to cleaning. Whether you're using it for the first time or just want to make it easier, this guide will help you feel confident and comfortable. Before you begin, wash your hands and make sure all pump parts are clean. Find a quiet, comfortable spot. Drink some water and take a few deep breaths. Relaxation helps with milk flow. Next, let's assemble the breast pump. Connect the tubing, flange, and bottle according to the instructions. Make sure every part fits snugly. No air leaks. If you're unsure, double-check your manual. Now sit comfortably and place the breast shield over your nipple. It should sit in the center, not pinching the skin. Turn on the pump at a low suction level and gradually increase until it feels gentle but effective. Remember, pumping shouldn't hurt. When you're done, turn off the pump and carefully remove the flange. Pour the expressed milk into a clean storage bag or bottle. Label it with the date and time, then store it in the fridge or freezer right away. Finally, wash all parts that came into contact with milk with warm, soapy water. Let them air dry completely. Keep your pump clean and ready for the next session. Great job. You did amazing. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and share.